Hey, how you doing out there? This is your host, Driving with Mr. Lee with more tips. Today's tips is a Doordash tips. Basically for Doordash, a lot of times if you wait at a restaurant for a very long time, they will not give you no extra money. It's got to be at least a half hour or more, and at the same time, you got to make sure you contact them and let them know. Because if not, there's they're not gonna give you anything, basically. Also, on particularly long trips, I advise whatever you push that little question mark button, whatever, and tell them like, hey, I don't mind making this trip, whatever, but at least can you give an extra $1 or two? 8 times out of 10, they will say fuck it and give you an extra $1. So that $10 could be $11 is that. 12 could be 13, or blah 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 blah. But here's one thing they slick. Like Uber, you can get in contact with a live person, no problem. It's real easy. It's in the phone number that I left in one of the mini videos. Please be sure to watch one of them. Uber Eats tips, or how to make $5 Uber Eats. The phone number is right below in that video. Well, basically, Doordash, they're slick because they have it where the only time you can really contact like customer care and get a answer right then and there is if you push that question mark, but you gotta be on a live order, like how I'm doing right now. Right now I'm on an order. I gotta go down Main Street to pick up some food for somebody. But right now I can talk to them with no problem via text and ask them, hey, to call me up if I got any extra problems, and they'll do it for me. Now, say if I'm not doing an order, I could be still on the clock, but I don't have an order, drop off or pickup or whatever, they will not answer any questions, period, whatever. I'll have to go to their website and actually email them before I get a response, and that can take sometimes a couple hours, sometimes a couple days, which is, I guess it cuts down, well, I don't know, it cuts down on excess calls, because it's like, unless you want making the money, hey, we ain't got time for you right now. I'm not trying to say it like that, but hey, because I put it to them like, yo, it makes no sense at some of these restaurants, because you're not going to tell me if I got to wait at a restaurant for extra half hour for somebody's food, that I'm not getting extra money for it. I'm getting something for it. Period. Because no driver goes to a restaurant and expects to wait a half hour. That's ridiculous. 5 minutes, sure. 10 minutes, no big deal. But anything past that is pushing it. And like I said, watch my other videos where I talk about Uber Eats. You got a long wait time, and I give you tips how to make sure you get paid and stuff, and that's about it. But like I said, the tip is, you trying to get some extra money out, Doordash, you gotta be on the clock and let them know, like if the place is too far away, like, hey, if you can give me an extra $1 or $2, I have no problem going here. 9 times out of 10, they'll say no problem. Or if you gotta wait at the restaurant, make sure you click on that mark and get an answer from somebody. Like, look, I've been waiting in this restaurant for over a half hour. Like, what's up? Because other than that, like I told them, anything past 15 minutes, I'm leaving unless I'm getting paid something extra. You know what I mean? And then 2 seconds later, a response, no problem, sir, we got you. I'm putting some extra compensation in and out for you. Thank you very much for your patience, and as always, Doordash. Hope you learned something from this. Also, I lost my damn glasses again. Have a good day. Drive safe. And as always, like, share, comment. Friend want me to do Doordash, Uber Eats. The link's down below. Also, the number to Uber Eats is in, one of my mini videos. And that's about it. Peace.